Pag tumatakbo ka sa eleksyon, seriously, tapos kasama mo yung partido mo, kasama mo yung mga partner social movements, a lot's at stake. May mga pangarap na nakakabit. Pag nananalo ka, it makes a few more things possible. Ganon din kapag natalo ka, so may mga susunod na hakbang na hindi mo na pwedeng gawin. So kailangan maghanap ka ng ibang paraan. Maybe you also have to reinvent yourself. Malungkot talaga. Masakit.
Kay Risa Hontiveros, maganda ang laban, maganda ang laban. Kay Risa Hontiveros, maganda ang laban, maganda ang laban.
Why do you think you lost?
I lost because mas masikip ang field this time around. There was a higher threshold that needed to be crossed. If I had had the votes I earned this election in 2010, I would have made it. And then, syempre, mas masikip pa ang field. It was traditional politics at its best or worst. Mas maraming pangalan na andun na, tapos running for re-election, mga dating pangalan na bumabalik, mga pangalan na may mga kamag-anak na incumbent sa gobyerno, at kulang ako sa paghihigpit sa message.
What was your message supposed to be?
Laban, palaban. Yun yung esensya ng pagkakilala ng mga tao sa akin.
Saan po nagluwag yung message na yun?
We thought with that old element of palaban, we thought we could add the caring side of me. Kasi nga, solo mama ko, 4 ang anak ko. I do care for them. I care for them to bits.
In 2010, there was an opposition. It was very strong, very legitimate because there was one alleged enemy. In this particular midterm elections, you had a very popular president. So, in as much as you were fighting, who were you fighting against?
Well, that's the thing. Pag palaban ka, hindi lang naman laban kontra sa kung sino or kung ano. Laban para sa mga bagay. Laban para sa mga tao na mahal mo, na kasama mo. Lumalaban pa rin ako. At the same time, lumalaban ako sa tabi nitong presidenteng ito, nitong administrasyon niya. Because I believe na reform president siya. Pero yun siguro hindi ko nahuli yung tamang lengguwahe para sabihin, ito talaga yun at hindi lang ito totoo para sa akin. This is our situation. We're all fighting for a better life.
Risa Hontiveros, Risa ipaglalaban ka.
So, just to show na palaban ako, pati damit ko, alam pa ay palaban.
Laban sa katiwalian. Laban sa korupsyon.
Losing in the midterm election, kalakasan ni President Noy, so kalakasan din dapat ng pagiging isang kaalyado. I lost some time. And may mga bagay naman na pwedeng balikan pwedeng ulitin. And you can still capture part of it. Pero may mga bagay din na hindi mabalikan. Hindi ko pa alam ngayon. Kung i-appoint ako, I will accept. It will be a different experience working in the executive. Bagamat so far, I felt that my space really was the legislature. Minsan tinatanong ko, babalik ka ba sa house? No. Once you've left, huwag ka nang babalik. Bigyan mo ng pagkakataon for the party's other kasamas and leaders to also have their time to serve in that role.
How do you feel about Akbayan not doing as well in the party?
Yun, that's another thing we're also assessing kasi although we are still in the house, we have at least the 2 seats. Yun yung isang kailangan namin tanong sa aming mga sarili.
Isipin nyo na lang kung gaano kakulang ang buhay kung walang nanay. Unang hakbang, walang nanay, kulang. Graduation, walang nanay, kulang. Wedding, walang nanay, kulang. Noche Buena, walang nanay, kulang. Huwag po tayong magkulang. Samahan niyo ako nang dumami tayong mga pro-moms para humaba ang buhay ng mga nanay.
The packaging of a politician is an entirely different art form. So, ano yung packaging po sa inyo?
Siyempre, pleasant. Just, stick to the issues. Huwag mapikon. Huwag ding mamersonal. 3 buwan lang to And it's really an intensive experience. So, huwag magsayang ng anumang sandali to be in touch with people and make it a pleasant experience for them. Para pag naitawid yung unang hakbang na yon, then maybe they will consider my platform and track record and maybe consider voting for me.
What was the hardest part of being Risa Ontiveros, the person running for the Senate?
Siguro talking about, being asked about my personal life, about questions na feeling ko hindi naman dapat tinatanong kasi wala naman akong ginagawang masama in the public space that was related to those relationships. Yeah.
Have you ever lied?
No?
Many questions were asked about your personal relationship with Secretary Llamas, and irrelevant of what answers you gave and consistently gave. If you had been dating anyone, would it have been wrong to admit it? For you?
Depende. Depende kung ano kung paano yung pagkatanong, ano yung context. If I was doing something wrong in the public arena because of that relationship or that question relationship, fair game. I have to think of my family also. Ganun, tapos very personalistic nature of Philippine politics.
Was it wrong for the public to ask if Chis Escudero was dating Heart Evangelista?
I don't know. But
Would you think that is too personal a question to ask of someone running for the Senate?
hindi ko makumpara yung sarili ko sa kanila.
Maganda na ang laban natin ngayon kay Risa Ontiveros. Maganda ang laban, maganda ang laban.
What did you miss the most?
One was watching movies, one was sleep. Oo. Now I can sleep a little bit more.
Have you ever wanted to cry?
Oh yeah, of course, I have, and I do. I'm sad, I'm not angry.
You're the smilingest sad person I've ever seen.
So I won't cry.
Is that the hardest part?
Well, like yung isang Thanksgiving namin sa campaign headquarters. We were all, resolved to be cheerful, ganyan. Kasi nandun yung mga supporters, mga volunteers. Pero siguro, because people's feelings are so raw. So, while speaking, ayun, we were also crying. So, binibiro ko na lang sila. Ang hirap niyong patawanin. Tulungan niyo ako. Patawanin niyo ako. In a way similar to, I feel that President Noy is the best thing that's happened to us in a long time. The Senate is also a step or some steps forward. I feel there are new elements in the Senate. I wish I could have been one of them. Kasi magtutulak pa ako ng mga bago. Pero hindi eh.
Risa, ipaglalaban ka. Risa, ipaglalaban ka.
Iboto sa Senado.
Do you regret it?
No, never. Not at all. I would have regretted more not trying.